Okay, so first question answer is B. And from which sentence you got this B?
I got from that more commonly in veterinary patient.
Veterinary patient.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so did you notice the currently? Like, what is the synonym which we used in the currently for here? Newest.
That being used often in, that is only I mentioned.
Often in which sentence?
Being used in often, that only I noticed. Of commonly in, often. Of
Okay.
being
Commonly,
veterinary.
you went with this sentence. Okay, fine. See, that's why I told each person will get from different places. So you went with this. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. How I did is that this word I didn't know itself. I just checked for currently, and then I got the synonym as newest. Okay, so then I focused on that sentence.
Yes.
So each person will be having their own method. Okay, like you said, you went with commonly. So at that time, I got that animals,
Veterinary.
veterinary patients. So two synonyms they used over here. Now second one.
That's my wrong answer.
Oh, the second one is wrong. Sorry. Which one you got?
A. Clarify who are responsible for medication delivery. Because I got from that collaboration between all members of the healthcare team responsible for medication delivery.
Which
That's why I
which second paragraph?
no, first paragraph in the first sentence,
Okay.
collaboration between all members of the healthcare team responsible for medication delivery. That's why I got
Medication delivered from this sentence.
pick up
Okay.
the answer. Clarify who are responsible for medication delivery.
Okay. So this medication delivery, the question is chief objective. Chief means what?
Main.
Main. Okay, you selected one point over here, right?
Hmm.
Medication delivery. That main topic is medication delivery.
Delivery.
Okay. But here actually they are talking about inaccuracy. Inaccuracy means medication inaccuracy means medication errors. Okay. So they are discussing it over here. One point, and in the second paragraph, they are even further explaining that. Okay. So that means it means more chief objective is they are talking more about that topic. Okay. If you have net shortage, you can switch off that video. Okay. What's happening? Okay, fine. Is it that clear, Jesse? You are muted.
Yes.
Okay, you are muted. Okay. So this is your point is right, but when it is come to chief, main thing at that time only one point. If several points are there, they will be taking that. Is that clear now?
Yes.
Medication inaccuracy means medication error. So if you read, see here everything is they are talking about the medication error occurs and the steps should be taken. So that's why I consider this. See, you know that the chief, the main objective, this will be a common question. So idea which you can apply even later question also the same thing. There are several ideas which you have to keep in mind. Now third one,
Shall I leave this page? I can't see you.
you can't see me.
Yeah. I think my phone has. Okay. Now, okay.
Yeah, fine. It's sometime what happened is that because I'm sharing the screen, you might not see me. I'm not sure. You can see the screen, right?
Yeah.
Not
I,
now.
ah,
And
yes, yes.
not me, but the screen, like what answers I am sharing.
Hmm. Now, yes.
Yeah,
I,
because actually there was some issue from your side.
yeah.
Okay. Now, second one, I hope it's cleared.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
clear.
Third one,
Third one is right answer, B.
okay, how you got it? Which
Uh,
line?
that US, UK and Europe, their use.
Okay,
Their
you.
use is, their use has recently been mandated in UK and Europe. So I think more one.
Okay, okay. Because because of the usage of there, you thought like that more team members are there.
Yes, right.
I also got that idea from there. But
Hmm.
one thing, do you know the meaning of this?
No.
Actually, that meaning is, I will show you. It means more than six others. So if more group is there, that at all means is that more members are there.
Pardon?
Okay, more at all. See, this one word is there, right? Jagger at all.
Okay.
The real meaning is like with more than six others. So more numbers will be there.
Hmm.
It's like a hidden meaning. They can apply it next time also, right? I got from this answer there, but the meaning is this thing.
Okay.
Okay, so is there any reason why you avoided this US Department of Health Science and all? Because this is there, obviously that is, you know, this you use this logic,
Team,
but
team of.
yeah, at that time, there means it won't be an independent research.
Hmm.
Although they are talking about US over here, but that Department of Health Science as such is not given. It's not given, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is known as elimination. So it's whenever you are doing this at that time, if time is there, go with the elimination also simultaneously. Sometimes it helps. Same
Yes.
time.
Hmm.
Okay, fourth one.
Fourth one is wrong.
Which one you got?
A.
Okay. From which line?
That means vessels, blood vessels in an injured mouse, like, and
Uh, with
and one first and two,
okay,
three.
you got from
Oh,
this line.
fourth line also skin cells to repair organs and blood vessels. So I think this is related to vascular injury vessels. That's right.
Okay. This is the tricky. See, the main purpose, main objective, sometimes it's like a main topic. Like in that question, it was like discussing more. Okay. Here, actually, did you notice that this was given in the bold line, bold letters, which means
Yes,
what?
regenerative medicines.
That means that is the heading.
Uh,
Okay, what is the topic over here? See, it's regenerative medicine. So whatever they are discussing over everything and comes under this heading.
yeah.
Okay. So this is the logic which you have to keep and understand. And when you are doing, apply this. Each question has different way of logic. Okay. So this is like main heading. So you miss that, it's written in the bold letter.
But they are also mentioned to announce and involve in the realm of regenerative medicine. That is that is the query of ende medicine.
It's fine. Which sentence? Okay, last sentence you are talking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Growing blood vessels in injured mouse.
Okay. To explain a recently developed process in treating vascular injury. Okay. Recently is there? Is recently is there?
That means growing.
Growing blood vessel, is that equal to recently? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, one second. Recently developed process in treating. See, whole meaning we have to check. Okay. Growing blood vessels in an injured is not recently developed process. If you take this, not one word, did you get recently developed process in treating means it's a process or procedure,
Hmm.
but that is not growing blood vessel. It's different. Got idea? Don't shake the head.
Yes, I got.
See, we have to go with the elimination. Okay, because what's the mistake you did? See, the problem is that time limit is there. We can't think all those things. We will do this guessing only, that is for sure. But the right method is that recently is not there. Recently means currently, nothing happened. So that word we have to strike. So this is subtopics, which is like a 1 point. So that's why we are excluding that. And in treating mice, actually, they are not discussing over here. Nanotransfection is the in treating. I don't know. I haven't read. See, I do skim and scan. Okay, so I don't spend time in reading anything. Okay, I actually search for the answer. Okay, fifth one from where you got which line?
And then end of it, that same. Maybe used by anesthetics for specific section. That is, maybe it's some doctors.
Mm-mm. Okay. See,
That
if you this is a in this PDF actually if it's open you can do the highlight and all in mobile also even you can do the same. Okay, try to use because anyway you have to do learn online method. Okay, PDF marking will be better because so many materials we have to cover. Okay, so when I got a question like this, what I did, I happen to notice that I went through, usually what I do is that read the ideal method, read the question and passage, then try to identify, do skim and scan. In this question, I noticed some difference are already there. It's like I noticed the difference in the option. Okay. So I noticed what is the difference? So it means here it is all cases and here it is some doctor for all patterns. Okay,
all
it's not, I don't know spelling mistake. In some cases,
something.
it's not all patients. Anyway, when if it is spelling mistake, it's not all. So I searched for that difference first. Okay, I didn't read this. Entire thing I didn't read. Hmm? Because
Me too.
I went did a focus on the question itself. Okay. I directly ran for where I expected that it could be not in the sum because same word I didn't expect. So I checked for some. At that time, I understood maybe used by anesthetics means some only anesthetics. That means that some doctors' criteria will be met. Hmm? And for specific situations, that means in some cases. Okay. And then some illness only, facial and inhalation, some cases. Once again, some doctors means anesthetic and some patients means facial and inhalation. In that case only we can use. In specific situation only we can use. Like that I wrote. This is how I did. Did you get that idea?
Yes.
Okay, so what I am trying to say is that I didn't read this entire thing. Hmm?
Me too.
Okay, then it's fine. Then you have to tell. Okay. Okay. Now, sixth one,
A.
how you managed.
Possibility. Possible litigation. I mentioned here like that.
Which line, which paragraph?
Physicians and the healthcare institution should assist the impaired colleague
From here.
that food. Nah,
Okay, from here you started.
nah.
Okay. Did you try to read that, apply same method?
No, just read the question and read the
Okay.
full passage.
Okay, same method which we discussed. I identified there is no must because physician of the impaired physician. So from here I understood there is slight difference with the words. So because here it is not is there, not is there. So I
Evaluate.
actually search for the answer like this. In every cases we can't apply this. So okay, one second. Ethical content. Impaired physician, right? Here impaired physician is coming. Okay, impaired colleague is coming, impaired physician is coming. So you can start from here to protect patients. See, it's a common question. There is no use. But the thing is that impaired patients, in several reading, I had seen that impaired physicians, they will be discussing about that. To protect patients. Okay, from this line, because just monitor the impaired physician fitness to work. You know, you got the answer right from these lines only, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's the end. 1 second.